that why students should maintain the sketchbook when they're learning in my class. Yeah, good question. It's not only questions, it's a lot of secret is there inside. Step number one, the students who is more into the sketching side, they are very creative energy person. Okay, creative energy person, emotional plus the thinking speed will be high. Sometimes the emotional will go very high, sometimes the thinking speed will go more high. They're very creative. Okay, the biggest challenge for them is most of the difficult reference, difficult drawings looks very easy for them. Okay, some of the simple drawings, side angles, some of the simple drawings looks so difficult for them, they don't do it. You know that, you're one of that, correct? So this fluctuation will be there. When you maintain your sketchbook, when you keep drawing it, you will creating record of your ability. I'm not only tell my students to keep the record, the sketchbook, I'll tell them also to write the date and write the name which is readable name because of me and because of other people who draw that. For that, the date will helpful for the student. So when they start drawing, they will draw some few months really well. Suddenly some month, due to some reason, because this is all the creative child, anything can touch their emotional. Sometimes they don't get more patience level will go imbalance. That time, even though they draw well, that day, that particular time, they don't draw the characters very properly. It means last 3-4 days, like example, last 10 days they're drawing very well. Whatever they're touching, they're drawing very well. Suddenly, sometimes they're a little anger, not happy about certain things. So that time they sit and draw, that time the drawing doesn't come very well. Sometimes they will draw well. Okay, the fluctuation happens. Suddenly they'll start doubting about themselves. They'll get more anger that they lost the skill. Yeah, this happens. This happened to many students. So that time, if they have sketchbook, automatically they will see the previous sketch. Then automatically they will get motivated. Automatically they will be drive into the positive directions. It is not small things. Your own result will drive you in the positive directions. In your own result, the own work what you done before, that is your teacher, that is your mentor, that is your proof, that is your energy directions and all the things. So it is not small things. When you draw, you feel like, I'm drawing good, I'll draw it in paper, I'll draw better. No. Draw it in the paper, have record, so that the end of the year, like example, you're starting from this year 2025. This year is the 2025, okay? If you're starting from now, so when you keep using the sketchbook, the next month, same month in the next year, you will be completed at least for 5 to 6 book. So that itself also will give a lot of motivations. So this motivation is not small things. The same things will be reflected in your education or your personal life or your job or in your business, everywhere. So you'll understand very clearly the fundamental will be written, the core coding will be written in your mind, the conscious mind. When you keep doing it, you are improving. Sometimes interest will go down, the result you might not get it, but still you are not failure, you are not weak, you are not something whatever. That day is not happened, so let it go. The let it go mindset will come. Then you will take some break, or something, you will draw something new, or you will just enjoy this mistake. Next time when you try, you will start doing good. The next day will be always, next 1 hour, next 2 hours will become more positive, and you will feel more energetic. This is how the same things will happen to you in your study. Sometimes when you study, everything you will be able to remember very quickly, be able to understand all things. Some days it become very challenging when even though you read more times, this might not register. So what is that? The emotional level problems. So when you start sketching it and do something which you like it in the hobby areas, then we continue. This will happen. No need to be more angry on yourself. Don't need to get more tensed. It is easy life, easy things. When you can able to balance this emotional in the creativity, energy, patience, focus, and creativity, other things will become very successful. You will become very successful on whatever you touch. It is true. This happens. Yeah. So that's what maintaining sketchbook is very important. Maintain the sketchbook, create record, and keep this your record for your own personal motivations and for your own success in all the areas. For that reason, I'll tell them to maintain this sketchbook. And very important, I'll tell all the students to use the bigger sketchbook, A3 size sketchbook. When you start using the bigger sketchbook, automatically you will be drawing very big. You will be start visualizing big. Okay. So initially it looks little difficult because you are learning many things. When you're drawing, that also comes 50%, you will be practicing to improve. And same time, if you start doing it in the bigger sketchbook, you will face little more challenge, but that is the good. Okay, when you start drawing bigger sketchbook, initially little tough, but after that it's the highest benefit you will get. When you start drawing big, not in the A4 size sketchbook, A3 size sketchbook for class. If you have personal drawing, you can use A4 or small sketchbook, not the show. But when the class, when you're learning in my class, if you're using the bigger sketchbook, you will automatically draw bigger. You automatically get enough space in the eyes, nose, mouth, all the areas to draw the details and everything. Okay, this is the biggest secret, but it's like very simple. Many times the students thinks that I got A4 size sketchbook, let's finish it. Then the next book I'll buy A3, then I'll draw there. No. You are delaying your own improvement. Keep this A4 sketchbook for future, or else for your personal drawings, all the things. Get A3 size sketchbook, start drawing bigger. You will get best result more faster. That will help you. Yeah. All the best. Sketchbook maintaining is very important, that much important. Whenever you draw, writing the date on next to your drawing is important. That's more important is writing your name very nicely next to, very near to the drawing is the more very important. I hope you understood this. See you on the next question. Bye. If you are not joined any of my demo class, yeah, the link is given in the below description. You can join my demo class. If your child keep drawing more on this anime, manga characters, yeah, if you want to help them to improve on this particular skill or these hobbies areas, I'm offering 1 hour free demo class. You can join my demo class. I'll explain more detail about how to handle this skill, how to help them to get better at this. Then if you are improving on these areas, what is the benefit the child will get? Everything will explain. End of the demo class, I'm also will offer you, I will tell you about my workshop model class more detailing. This class anytime you can join. Yeah, it's very flexible. It's not like batch kind of things. Anytime you can join, you can start improve. You will get more improvement more faster and all things. You join the demo class, you will get more detail about those things. If you want to know more about my what is this demo class sketching model, why my students are getting more better result faster and they keep improving, for that video link also I given below. You can go and watch. Even you can join my live demo class so that you can see my work, you will understand my teaching style, and same time you can able to understand what is this demo class sketching model. End of the demo, I also will share my like course, how to enroll, all the process I explained. You can join my course. You can start learning from me. Yes. Click the link below. Don't miss on that. Yeah. I'll see you on the demo class. Bye bye.